Alright everyone, let's talk crypto. It's an exciting world out there. You hear stories all the time, people making a lot of money, sometimes very, very quickly. But here's the thing. You can also lose money, just as fast, if not faster. So, always be careful. Now let's add something else. It's called leverage. Think of leverage like this. You're borrowing money from the exchange, to make even bigger trades. So, your small amount of cash, it can control a much larger position. Sounds great for big profits, right? But there's a huge catch. That catch is called risk. So, what happens when it goes wrong? That brings us to liquidation. This is a word you need to know, and you need to respect it. Liquidation is when the exchange automatically closes your trade. You don't get a say in it, it just happens. Poof, your position is gone. Why does this happen? It happens when your losses get too big for your own good, or rather for the exchange's good. Your initial money is called collateral. It's like a security deposit. If losses eat up your collateral, the exchange steps in to protect itself from losing money. If your account drops below this level, that's when liquidation is triggered. The exchange will sell your assets to cover the losses. Instantly. Let's make this super simple. Imagine you have $100 in your pocket. It's a crisp, fresh bill, and you're ready to make it work for you. You've heard about Bitcoin and how it's the future of money. You decide to invest. You want to buy some Bitcoin, but you want to maximize your potential gains, so you decide to use 10 times leverage. This means your $100 now controls a $1,000 Bitcoin position. You're feeling good, confident even. You think Bitcoin will go up, and you're ready to see your investment grow. This is a common scenario for many new investors. They see the potential and want to jump in. Let's say Bitcoin is trading at $50,000 per coin. With your $1,000 leverage position, you've essentially bought 0.02 BTC. Your actual $100 is the collateral. This means it's the safety net for your leverage position. If the price goes up 10%, your $1,000 position becomes $1,100. You've made a profit. But what if Bitcoin's price drops? Let's say it drops by just 10%. Your $1,000 position in Bitcoin is now only worth $900. You've lost $100 on paper. This is the risk of leverage. It can amplify your gains, but it can also amplify your losses. Always be cautious and understand the risks before diving into leveraged trading. Your $100 can grow, but it can also disappear just as quickly. So always trade wisely and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's also unpredictable. Stay informed and make smart choices. Section 4. The good, the bad, and the ugly of liquidation. The risks of liquidation are clear. They are very, very obvious. You lose your initial investment, the money you put into the trade. Sometimes it's every single penny, and it can happen incredibly fast. 1 minute you're in a trade, the next your balance is zero. It is a brutal experience. It can also feel incredibly unfair. The crypto market is volatile. Prices can spike up or down, violently, in just seconds. This is called a wick. A sudden price wick downwards can trigger your liquidation. Then the price might recover, but it's too late for you. Section 5. Dodging the liquidation bullet. Smart moves. In this section we'll explore some essential strategies to protect your investments and make informed decisions. So how do you avoid this nightmare? The number one best tip? Use much lower leverage. Leverage can amplify your gains, but it can also magnify your losses. Or even better, use no leverage. If you must use it, be sensible. Always assess your risk tolerance and financial situation before diving in. 2 times or 3 times leverage is still risky, but it's way less crazy than 50 times or 100 times leverage. Remember, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk. That's just pure high-stakes gambling. You wouldn't bet your life savings on a single roll of the dice, would you? Another crucial tool: stop-loss orders. These can be a lifesaver in volatile markets. A stop-loss automatically sells your position at a certain price, a price that you set beforehand. This ensures you don't lose more than you're willing to. This happens before liquidation hits, so you control the maximum loss. It's a proactive measure to safeguard your investments. The exchange doesn't decide for you. You're in control of your financial destiny. It's like an emergency exit. When things go south, you have a way out. Use it. Seriously, don't underestimate the power of a well-placed stop-loss order. Don't just set your trades and forget. Regularly review and adjust your strategies as needed, especially not with leveraged positions. These require constant vigilance. You need to actively monitor them. Stay informed about market conditions and be ready to act. The crypto market never sleeps. It's a 24/7 all-year-round arena. It's open 24/7 all year round. So, stay alert and make smart moves to protect your investments. Section 6. Wrapping it up, trade smart, not hard. Alright, so let's sum this up. Trading smart is all about understanding the game you're playing. It's not just about making quick profits, but about sustaining those profits over the long term. Liquidation is a very real part of leveraged crypto trading. When you use leverage, you're borrowing money to increase your position size, which can amplify both gains and losses. It's a harsh mechanism for sure. Liquidation happens when your position falls below a certain threshold, and the exchange automatically closes it to prevent further losses. It's there to manage risk, mostly the risk for the exchange, and to prevent total market meltdowns. But it can be brutal for individual traders. But it directly impacts you, the trader, often in a very negative way. You could lose your entire investment in a matter of seconds. Remember, leverage is a double-edged sword. It can work for you, but it can also work against you. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? Magnifying your potential profits, making you rich quick. But this excitement can be misleading. But it also magnifies your losses, and it does that just as effectively, often even more effectively. The higher the leverage, the higher the risk. Because of how liquidation prices work, those losses can be devastating. You might find yourself in a position where you owe more than you initially invested. So please, be incredibly smart. Do your research, understand the market, and know your limits. Understand all the risks involved before you even think about leverage. Knowledge is your best tool in this high-stakes game. Never, ever trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. This is the golden rule of trading. Trade wisely, and good luck. May your trades be profitable and your risks well managed.